Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix apps keeps crashing in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. If you're using Z Fold 4 and you're facing the issue that your apps are crashing in your phone, like if you try to open any app or use any app, the app might have been crashed. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you to simply go ahead to your settings app. Once you are in settings, scroll down, go to software update. Click on check for updates, make sure you're connected to internet and make sure you might have an independent software update here. If you get, just try to download and install that update on your phone. And once you have updated your software, just go back and just try to make a force restart with your phone. And now to make a force restart, you just have to try to press it and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. Let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button. The very first, you might see a black screen here. Or if you're facing this type issue that you might not see a black screen or these icons are not appeared. So don't try to worry. You just have to wait for a few seconds. Your app goes completely black. And then you have to wait for Samsung logo here. So once you see the Samsung logo, you just have to wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your Play Store app here, go to this profile icon and click on this manage apps and devices, click on updates, and you just have to make sure that you might have an pending update for any of your apps because sometimes it might be if you have an pending update for any of your apps, so your apps might be crashed. You just have to try to update all of your apps from here, and after this you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.